another satisfied customer in Daytona Beach, Florida. Let's get started with this project. First up is TV number 1. We installed it on a dedicated outlet behind the wall, ensuring a clean and professional look for the living room area. This setup allows you to easily hide all your cables and wires, keeping everything neat and organized. Check out how seamlessly we integrated the wiring for that sleek finish. It's all about attention to detail here at Easy Mounting Services. Next, we tackled TV number 2. Similar setup, dedicated outlet installation, but this time in another part of the house. Our team ensures consistency across every install, providing top-notch quality no matter where you are. See how perfectly leveled and secure the mount is? That's what sets us apart. Now let's take a closer look at the Samsung Frame TV. Notice the smooth navigation through its interface. From Netflix to YouTube, everything works flawlessly. And check out those hidden outlets. No more messy cords dangling around. EZ Mounting Services delivers a seamless experience from start to finish. What do you think of this setup so far? Moving on to TV number 3, another dedicated outlet installation. Each TV receives the same high standard treatment, ensuring they all function perfectly together. The Samsung Frame TVs offer an elegant design that complements any home decor. Here's a quick demo of navigating the settings menu. You can customize language preferences, audio options, and even adjust picture modes. Everything is designed to enhance your viewing experience. Imagine relaxing after a long day, with your favorite show playing smoothly on these beautifully mounted screens. No distractions, just pure entertainment. What would be your go-to show right now? Drop your recommendations in the comments below. I always love hearing from our viewers. TV number 4 was next on our list. While some clients prefer dedicated outlets, others opt for a simpler solution. So we also provided standard installations for several other TVs in their home. These mounts still provide excellent stability and flexibility while allowing easy access to power sources. It really depends on personal preference and space constraints. Safety first. We always make sure to turn off the breaker before working with electrical systems. Attention to safety is paramount when installing anything involving electricity. Back inside, we finished setting up the remaining TVs. Every single unit received meticulous care and precise adjustments. Whether it's a dedicated outlet or a standard mount, we ensure each television is securely positioned and ready for use. For TV number 5, we used a standard wall mount, again providing versatility and convenience. These setups allow homeowners to enjoy their content without worrying about cable management issues. Plus, they're super user-friendly, making them perfect for everyday viewing. What kind of mounting system do you have in your home? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'm curious to hear different perspectives. Finally, we completed the last installation, securing the final TV in place. With 6 TVs successfully set up, Ihrig has plenty of options for his viewing pleasure. He chose a Philips 65-inch LED UHD Smart TV, perfectly suited for modern streaming needs. Just imagine enjoying movies, shows, or sports games on such a large screen. It truly elevates the whole experience. A quick glimpse outside reveals the exterior components of the installation. We ensure everything is properly connected and functioning correctly. Even outdoor connections need expert handling to maintain optimal performance. Thanks again to Ihrig for choosing EZ Mounting Services. Contact us today for your free estimate.